So, good morning children. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is about force. So, first of all, we'll take an example like when you play, है ना? Where at that time, if you hit a ball while playing, if you hit a ball, it can go to, in any direction it can move. And while opening or closing the door, at the time of opening, you pull it, and at the time of closing it or when you have to shut it, that time you push it. So from these examples we can understand that force is a push or pull. Now, what are the effects of force on an object? When the force is applied on an object, it can change its direction, it can change its speed, it can change the direction of an object, it can change the shape of an object. For example, if an object, for example, this is an object A and this is its initial position. And here it is at rest, it's not moving, it's at rest position. And when I apply force on it, when I push it, for example, a simple toy car. Toy car is placed at this position and it is at rest. When I apply force, when I push it, it will move to a certain distance. So this movement is called as motion, and this motion occurs because of the force applied, and the distance covered changes with respect to the time, as well as it can change its direction also. For example, when I apply force, maybe instead of in a straight line, it can go like this. So from this we can say that, like during the cricket match, when you hit a ball, sometimes it's sixer, sometimes it's four. So that time also, when a batsman applies force on the ball, it can change its direction. So we can say that force can change the direction of an object. Now the shape of an object. Take a sponge. Like this, take a sponge. If I will press it, from here it is soft and from here it is hard. When I press it, when I apply force on it, it will become flat. It will become flat. But from this side, it is very hard. It will not become flat. It will remain as it is. It will not get compressed. So that means it depends on the force, how much force I am applying. If I apply greater force on it, it may break. It depends on the object. And from this side, it is spongy, it is soft. If I will press it, it will become flat. And when I will remove the force, it will again come back to its normal position, like a rubber band. When I will pull the rubber band, it will stretch to a certain length. And if I will release it, again it will come to its original shape. So that time, why it is changing its shape, it is all because of the force which I am applying on the rubber band. So we can take one more example. Balloon, sponge, many examples are there. Okay, fine. If I will take a wooden piece and I will press it, it will not change its shape because it is hard, and the force which I am applying, it's not that much that it can break it or it can compress it. So it all depends on the force, and force, from this we can understand that force can change the direction of an object as well as it can change its speed. So dear children, till now we have studied about the effect of force on an object. Now moving forward, in the next video we are going to discuss about the types of forces. Till then, have a great day.